Okay students, let's continue with your previous topic, that is components of Excel window. Okay, so what is the first component? The first one is quick access toolbar. Okay, just observe the pointer students. The first one is quick access toolbar. Okay students, what is the use of quick access toolbar? So quick access toolbar contains commands so which are used for quick accessing. We can place any number of tools on that place. So that is located to the left of the title bar. So what is the use of title bar? As title bar shows the name of the window. So that is, it shows like book 1, okay, Microsoft Excel. What is the next one? Ribbon. As ribbon contains commands, and commands are organized in groups. Okay, so all the commands are used to work with the workbook. What is workbook? Excel file is called as workbook, and each workbook contains number of worksheets. Excel document is called as workbook. Okay students, and the next one is name box. What is the use of name box students? So first my question is, how many number of columns and rows are available in the sheet? How to open the Excel window? Just type Excel on your search bar and select the Excel software. So if MS Office is installed in your system, it shows the Excel, Microsoft Excel and the version. What is the use of name box students? So what is the use of name box? What is the use of name box? How many number of rows and columns are there in the sheet? Yes, by using name box we can quickly locate the cell and reach to the mentioned cell. And by using name box we can view the total number of rows and columns. See, 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns, right? Just click on the row, above the first row, which is left to the column A. Click and hold. Then the total number of rows and columns are displayed on the name box. 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. And we can easily move the name. We can easily move from one place to another place by using the name box. How can we go to the particular cell students? For example, here I'll enter G700. Okay, so just enter the desired cell address that you want to go to the particular cell and hit the enter key. Yes. So this is the active cell. So now you are in G700 cell. So like this we can easily move from one cell to another cell by using the name box, and we can select the range of cells by using the name box. Simply, if you want to select the range of cells, press Ctrl plus up arrow to move to the first row. For example, if you want to select the range of cells, simply click and drag the pointer. While working on worksheet, the mouse pointer is appeared like a plus symbol or white cross symbol, right? So this is the pointer icon on worksheet. Click and drag the cells. Or else you can enter the range in the name box. So what is the range operator students? So which operator is called as range operator? So we already discussed in tables concept in MS Word. So what is the first cell address? And what is the range operator? So just observe the name box, students. So what is the first cell address? That's very good, A1. Why? Because the cell is identified with the column name and then the row name. Okay. So that is the first cell address is A1. Okay. If you select the particular range of cells, just observe the name box, students. It shows how many rows and how many number of columns are selected here. Here I will select 6 rows and 3 columns. So without using mouse, we can easily select the range of cells by entering the range in name box. The range operator is colon, S. See, colon. Colon operator is called as range operator. It represents the particular range. For example, if you enter A1 and D1, okay, in between A1 and D1, here I will use colon operator. So it represents that it selects the cell A1 to D1, that is A1, B1, C1, T1. Okay. So just enter this range in the name box. So let me show you what will happen here. A1. Okay. Use the colon operator, that is called as range operator. It indicates the range. Just enter the starting cell address and then enter the ending cell address. So which you want to select the particular range and hit the enter key. Observe the sheet, students. Now A1 to D1 is the selection area here. Okay, like this we can select the particular range of cells by using the name box. See, name box is used to view the cell name address, active cell address. Our name box is also used to move to the particular cell address, and the name box is also used to select more than one cell, and it is also used to select the row and column. But the shortcut method is, if you want to select the entire column, if you want to select the column E, simply click on the column name E here. So if you move the mouse pointer over the particular letter, see here black arrow, black drop down arrow is appeared now. Just click on that name and release the mouse click. Okay. The entire column is selected. Or else you can enter E colon E on the name box. Simply enter colon is selected. So in the same way we can select the entire row. Okay. So just click on the row name. So not in the cell. Here row 1 is selected. Entire row is selected. Okay, students. So this is about the name box. Do you understand? So next one. And after the name box, so just observe another bar, that is formula bar. So this is called as formula bar. So what is the use of formula bar? You see, the formula bar indicates with fx, right, function. So this is the place where you can view or enter the formula or text. See, for example, here I'll enter some text. See here, the cell accepts the text, numbers and formulas. For example, here I'll enter Aditya. Just observe the formula bar. As you can view the text that is available inside the cell or active cell, text or formula. Okay, we can directly enter the text. Just select the cell, select any cell and go to the formula bar. Just enter the name. That means you can enter the text or formula directly in the formula bar, or else the text that is available in the active cell is visible on the formula bar. So this is the place where you can view or enter formula or text or numbers or any type of data that is available in the active cell. That is the advantage of formula bar. And after the formula bar, we have one more button, that is, see, one drop down button is available. Okay, so that is called as expand formula bar. The shortcut key is Ctrl Shift U. So what is the use of this button? So when you click the expand formula bar, it allows you to expand the formula bar. So this is helpful when you have either a long formula or large piece of text is available in the cell. Okay students? So like this you can expand or you can minimize the formula bar. Okay, when you enter the long formula, simply you can expand the formula bar and again you can collapse the formula bar. See, now the option is collapse formula bar. So this is the button to expand the formula bar. So what is this one? This is called as sheet and this is the working area, and we have vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the window, right? And see, observe the bottom of the sheet students. By default workbook has 3 sheets. Yes, every workbook has 3 sheets, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Why? Because the default sheet names are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So these are called as worksheet navigation tabs. You are able to navigate the sheets by clicking on the sheet tab. See, now we are in sheet 1. If you want to go to the sheet 2, simply click on the sheet 2 tab. If you want to go to the sheet 3, simply click on the sheet 3 tab. Here by default every workbook contains only 3 sheets. If you want to insert another sheet or if you want to insert some more sheets on the same workbook, simply click on insert worksheet button. Yes, see, after the sheet 3 you have one button, that is insert worksheet button. So this is the insert worksheet button. Simply click on the insert worksheet button to insert a new worksheet on the same workbook. See, here sheet 4 is inserted. Again click on the insert worksheet button. Sheet 5 is inserted. Sheet 6 is inserted. Sheet 7 is inserted. As we can insert as many number of sheets as you want, and we can play and we can apply any more number of operations on sheet. For example, now we are in sheet 1. See, the default name is sheet 1, right? Now I want to change the sheet name as BSc. Okay, right click on the current sheet tab. Okay, so on the context menu we have so many options, that is rename. We can rename the sheet name, move or copy. We can easily move or copy the sheets, view code, protect sheet. Yes, in Excel we can protect each and every sheet. Okay, tab color, as we can apply the color for the sheet tab. We can hide the sheet and we can unhide the hidden sheets. We can select all the sheets. First one is rename. Okay, so again insert and delete are also available. If you click on insert, simply another sheet is inserted on the same workbook. If you want to delete this sheet, click on delete and you'll get this message like, data may exist in the sheet selected for deletion. To permanently delete the data, press delete. So if you want to delete it, simply click on delete, otherwise click on cancel. Okay, so what is the first option? Insert. So when you click on insert, you will get the insert dialog box. Insert dialog box contains 2 tabs. First one is general, second one is spreadsheet solutions. See, these are all the inbuilt Excel sheets. So for example, if you want to insert a general worksheet, click on first option, that is worksheet. What is the first option? Worksheet. If you want to insert the chart, click on the chart. So if you want to insert the macro or internal macro or MS Excel dialog 5.0 dialog, simply click on the particular option. Now I want to insert general worksheet. Just I'll select worksheet and click on OK. See, sheet 8 is inserted before the sheet 1. Okay, so like this we can easily insert any number of worksheets in the same workbook, students. Okay, we can easily delete the worksheets by clicking on delete. Thank you. So now again right click on the sheet. So what is the next option? Rename. Here I want to enter BSc. Okay, BSc. And the next sheet I'll enter BBA. Okay. So like this we can easily rename any number of sheets. Okay. So why? Because the default name is sheet 1. So for quick accessing we can rename the name of the sheets. Okay, students. So what is the next option? Move or copy. See, if you want to move the sheet to the particular location, the shortcut method is simply click and drag that sheet into a desired location. For example, here I want to move the sheet 2 to sheet 5 location. Okay, so that means I want to place the sheet in between the sheet 4 and sheet 5. Just click, okay, click on sheet 2 and drag it to the required location. Clear? Just observe the sheet, students. Now sheet 2 is located in between the sheet 4 and sheet 5. So this is the shortcut method to move the sheets from one location to another location. Okay, or else right click on the particular sheet and click on move or copy. So it displays all the sheets available in the workbook. For example, select BBA and select sheet 6, okay, or else select BBA and select move to end, which is the last option in before sheet list box. Move to end, click OK. See, sorry, BSc. Okay, so BSc is moved to the last position. So like this we can easily move or copy the sheets. Okay, students. So next one is view code. So if you want to view the code of workbook, simply you can view the code. So this is VB code. Okay, now how to protect the sheet? Just right click on the particular sheet that you want to protect and click on protect sheet. Okay, and it asks that the password to unprotect the sheet. So if you want to edit the sheet data, simply you can unprotect the sheet first by providing the password. Here I'll enter the password as Uma. Again it asks that confirm the password, that is re-enter the same password. Again I'll enter Uma and I'll click on OK. See, See, if I start typing on that sheet, see, we cannot edit the cell data and we cannot enter the new data on the protected sheet. See, if you want to edit that sheet, simply first you can unprotect the sheet by giving the password. Again, right click on the same sheet and click on the unprotect sheet. Again, enter the password and click on OK. So now enter data. So like this we can protect each and every sheet. That is the advantage of Excel. Okay. So in MS Word we can protect the entire document or we can protect the entire document text, right? But here we can protect any sheet of the workbook. So we cannot edit the cell data or we cannot enter the new information on the protected sheet until you can unprotect the sheet. You understand, students? Okay, the shortcut method to open the Excel is just open the run command and enter Excel, EXCEL. Okay, open the run command, enter Excel. Okay. Another workbook is open here. Okay. See, this is a new workbook. So if you want to close this, I'll just close this workbook. Okay. So this is our current workbook. So what is the next one? See, if we apply a color for the tabs. So just place the mouse pointer on tab color and it gives the list of colors, that is theme colors. Select any one of the color. Okay, so like this you can apply the tab colors. And next one is hide. Yes, we can easily hide the sheets. Click on hide. So where is the sheet BBA, students? Yes, because we can hide the BBA sheet. So now the sheet is hidden. If you want to unhide it, right click on any other tab. Okay, now unhide option is highlighted here. Simply click on unhide. It opens the dialog box, that is unhide dialog box. Select the sheet that you want to unhide and click on OK. So again BBA is displayed here. So like this we can hide and we can unhide the sheets. Okay. So for protection, select all sheets. So it selects all the sheets. So like this we can use any one of the option. Okay, we can insert the worksheet, we can delete the existing worksheet, we can protect the data by providing the passwords from editing. Okay, we can view the code, we can move or copy the sheet from one location to another location, and we can apply the tab colors, we can hide and unhide the sheets. Okay, students. And the next one, so this is horizontal scroll bar, so which is located next to the tabs. So this is horizontal scroll bar, and the bottom of the window contains status bar. What is the use of status bar, students? See, almost every window contains a status bar. What is the use of status bar? If you want to insert the sheet, simply click on insert worksheet button, or else right click on the particular sheet and click on insert, and under the dialog box select the worksheet and click on OK, or else you can use the commands. Okay, we'll discuss later. See, ADC Amlapuram. See, what is the use of this class? See, MS Office will help you to create or to create the documentations, to create PowerPoint presentations. Okay, to perform calculations we use Excel. See, Excel is used to perform any type of calculations, and we can prepare the charts and graphs, and we can analyze the data which is stored in Excel. We can store large amounts of data. Why? Because Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that uses rows and columns to organize the data. If you want to protect the entire document in MS Word, go to File menu and under Options, okay, and under Permissions, you can encrypt the data by providing the password. See, the shortcut key for run command is Win key plus R, okay, Win key plus R is the shortcut key for run command. Clear? Yes. See, if you want to see the hidden sheet, for example, again I will show you again how to hide the sheets and how to unhide the hidden sheets. So first click on the particular sheet tab and click on hide. So now if you want to view the hidden sheet, simply click on any other sheet tab. Now unhide option is highlighted. Click on unhide. Yes, here sheet 3 is already hidden. If you want to view this sheet, select the sheet 3. See, it is already selected. Why? Because so there is only one hidden sheet here. Okay. If you hide more than one sheet, simply it displays all the sheets that are hidden, and click on OK. What is the use of status bar? It shows the status of the document, right? Yes, we can search the names, or we can search any type of data in Excel also like Word. Why? Because find command is also available in the Excel sheet. Okay, what is the use of status bar? Status bar shows the okay, see here, just observe the status bar. So now the message in the status bar is ready, that is in ready mode. So why? Because if you click on a particular cell, it displays like ready. So when it start typing, see, it displays the message like enter. That means the text is entered on the particular cell. So like this, status bar shows the status of the document or status of the active cell, right? And after the status bar, we have different views of Excel. See, these views are also available on the View tab. Now we are in normal view. There are three views are located here: normal view, page layout view, and page break preview. Okay. So first one is normal view. Yes, it helps to view the document. Now we are in normal view to work with the spreadsheets. Next one is page layout view. See, go to View tab. So these are the different views available in Excel. So first one is normal view. So when we click on the page layout view, so did you notice any changes here, students? Page layout view helps to view the workbook as it will appear on the printed page. Okay. So what is the next one? Page break preview. Yes, we need the page breaks while printing the workbook. It helps to view your workbook where the pages will break when this workbook is printed. So if you want to adjust the page breaks, see, the blue color line indicates the page break. So if you want to adjust the page break, click and drag the blue color line. we can easily extend the pace. See, that blue dotted line indicates the pace break, students. 1 minute. So 1 second, I'll just zoom the screen. Yes, this is called as pace break. To adjust the columns and to adjust the text, simply you can adjust the pace break. See, just move a mouse pointer on the pace break line and click and drag the blue line to set or adjust the pace breaks. So this can be done in pace break preview view. So pace break preview view helps to view the pace breaks when the workbook is printed. Okay students, do you understand? And after that we can and just click on the normal view. The default view is normal view. So like in MS Word. So we have zoom slider. So to zoom the sheet, zoom in or zoom out. We can easily zoom in and zoom out the entire sheet. See students? So click on the minus button for zoom out and click on the plus button to zoom in, or else you can move the zoom slider to increase or decrease the size of the sheet. We can easily resize the sheet size. Okay? So these are the various components available in Excel window, students. Now, clear students? So view code means that is about the Visual Basic code, okay? Yes, like MS Word, we use any shortcut keys like Control O plus open, Control S for save, okay? Control W for close. So like this we use any number of shortcut keys. Later we will discuss it. So now I would like to tell you one thing, students, that is the most important and the best feature of Excel is fill handle. As fill handle is a tool. So do you know about the fill handle, students? So what is the use of fill handle and what is fill handle? As fill handle is one of the feature in Excel. So now I will show you what is fill handle here. So just click on any cell, so that is called as active cell, right? See, when you move your mouse pointer over the bottom right corner of the active cell, okay, I'll just zoom the screen. So did you observe that plus symbol, students? So this is called as fill handle. Okay, so when you move your mouse pointer over the bottom right corner of the selected cell or the active cell, see, you would see a plus icon. That is called as fill handle. So fill handle, see, you can use the fill handle to copy and paste the cell's data in any direction. And you can use the fill handle to auto complete a list in row or a column by simply dragging the fill handle, okay? We can click and drag the fill handle to copy the formulas or to copy the cells data, and we can copy the series like autofill. I'll show you one by one, students. So this is nothing but fill handle, okay? So did you observe that icon? See, when you press Ctrl plus O, okay, 1 second. Yes, so it opens the open dialog box on Excel window. Just use escape to close the dialog box. Again, if you press Ctrl plus S, again the save as dialog box will be appeared on the Excel window. Again press escape. Okay, so if you press Ctrl plus N, if you want to create another workbook, then you can go to the new option which is available under file menu, or else you can press Ctrl plus N. See, it automatically creates a new workbook. Now we are in book 3. See here, I'll just close the book 3, and this is book 2, and this is book 1. So like this we can create any number of workbooks by pressing simply Ctrl plus N. So like this we use the shortcut keys like MS Word. Okay. Now we'll see what is the use of fill handle. So do you know about the fill handle? So pages means, see, someone asked about, explain about pages. Here pages are called as sheets. Each page in Excel is called as sheet, and each sheet contains 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Okay. So now I will show you the use of fill handle. So you can use the fill handle to copy and paste the cells data, and you can also use the fill handle to auto-complete a list. So what is meant by auto-complete? For example, if you have to enter 1 to 20 numbers from A1 to A20. So that means simply I'll just enter 1 and press the down arrow, and 2, 3, 4. So like this we can enter all the values. But in Excel the advantage of fill handle is, so instead of manually entering all these numbers, first enter the first two values. So what are the first two values? Here I need 1 to 20. So what are the first two values? Just enter 1 on the first cell, anywhere in the worksheet, and enter the second number. Okay. So first enter two values, 1 and 2. Just click on number 1, that is first cell, click and drag it to the next cell to select the cells in Excel. Okay, so this is the selection area. So now move your mouse pointer over the bottom right corner of the selected cell, that is on the second cell. So now fill handle is appeared, right? First click, just click the mouse left button and drag down as far as you want. For example, here I need 20 numbers, right? Click and drag. Just observe the screen, students. So now you are in cell 20, A20, right? Just I will release the mouse button. What happens here? So in this scenario, releasing the mouse click will result in filling the empty outline cells with the series, that is from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 20. So this is called as auto-complete list. So we can easily fill the next series of the numbers. Why? Because Excel identifies the pattern of two numbers, the pattern of first two numbers. Here the pattern is, so this is incremented by 1, right? That means it fills the series of next, it will automatically increment by 1, that is 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. Okay, and again I will enter another two values on the next column, students. Just observe here, I will enter 1, okay, or else 20. In the next cell I will enter 22. Okay. So now how to select the cells? First click on the first cell and drag it to the next cell. So this is the selection part. Use the fill handle, and we can use the fill handle to copy and paste the data in any direction, that is drag down up, left or right. Okay. Okay students, just observe the sheet. Now tell me, so what will happen here? So what is the next series? So why it fails with 24, 26, 28? So can you tell me the reason? Satya, just right click on the particular sheet tab or any one of the sheet tab, okay, and then click on unhide, and you'll get the unhide dialog box. On the dialog box, select the sheet, that means that displays all the hidden sheets. So select the sheets that you want to unhide and click on OK. No, just so take the printout of the material. Yes, very good. So as I said that Excel identifies the pattern of first two numbers. See, for example here, if you want to copy the 20 to all the cells, so no need to enter the two values, simply enter for example 20. Okay. So now use the fill handle. See, fill handle is used to copy the data in any direction, right? Now I want to insert 20 on the right side of the cell. Drag, click and drag the fill handle to the right as far as you want. See, the same number is repeated here, that means it copies the same data and fill the additional cells. Okay, so like this. So if you want to display the particular series, first enter the two numbers. So depend upon the pattern of those two numbers, the fill handle is used to auto complete a list. Clear students? And next one, as we can autofill. This is called as autofill. See, when you click and drag, again select the two numbers, click and drag. Okay. See, one drop down arrow is here at the end of the cell, right? Did you observe that, student? This is called as autofill. So when I click on the drop down arrow, see, autofill provides some options like copy cells. See, by default the fill series is selected here, copy cells, as we can copy the cell data, fill series, fill formatting only. See, that means this option is used to fill the formatting. So this option is not used to copy the data. Okay students, and fill without formatting, as it fill the series without the formatting. So what is meant by formatting is if you apply any colors, font size and font styles to the particular cell data, so that is nothing but formatting. So like this we can fill the series, or we can complete the auto complete list by using fill handle. So fill handle is one of the best feature in Excel to auto complete a list. Now autofill the weekday names. So like if you enter Monday on the first cell, simply click and drag. So down or left or right or up. Okay. So it automatically fill the next weekday names like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and observe the selection, students. See, after Sunday it again automatically inserts Monday. Okay, so like this we can automatically fill the weekday names. So that is full name. So if you enter first three alphabets of weekday, so again it gives the first three alphabets of next day names, that is TUE, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. As we can fill the month names, like you can enter January and click and drag the. So this is the use of fill handle. So that means instead of manually entering the data again and again, we can automatically complete the list by clicking and dragging the fill handle by using the mouse. So it is a shortcut method to fill the additional cells. Do you understand, students? See, if you want to fill the series in decrement order, for example here, so first number is 20, okay, the 20 is already available in the first cell. Here I will enter 19 students, 19. Select the two cells. Okay. So now the series of 20, 19, 18, 17. Why? Because, so the difference between the first two numbers is decrement by 1. So that is decrement by 1. So again 19 minus 1, 18, 18 minus 1, 17, 17 minus 1, 16. So like this we can increment and decrement the series. So based on the first two numbers, the Excel automatically fill the series with the help of fill handle. Okay. So if you enter A and next one B, so what will happen here? See, again A, B is repeated in the another cells, right? A, B, A, B, A, B. That means it simply copy and paste the same data. Clear, students? See, autofill is used to fill the autocomplete list for the series of numbers, not for alphabets. So we can autofill the weekday names, month names and dates also. For example, just enter the first name, okay, 1, okay, 9, 2021. I'll enter the date here. Okay, it will automatically display the next date, that is 2/9/21, 3/9/21. Okay, month and year remains same, whereas the date will change here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like this we can autofill the date format, or else you can enter 01 September 2021. So this is another date format. As you can enter the month name, or else you can enter the number for the month. So these are the two different types of date formats. Okay, we can use the fill handle to click and drag and to auto complete the list of dates. Do you understand, students? So what is your doubt? ASMS Kakinada. No, you can take the printout of the material, Anuradha. Just practice all the commands on your desktop or laptop. No. So if you want January for the whole single column, so do one thing. Okay, clear? So if you want January in the single column, simply enter the January word on the two cells and select the two cells and simply click and drag the fill handle to copy the same word in the additional cells, right? Clear, students? We'll meet in the next class, students. Thank you.